Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can export Figma prototype to video. So first step you need to do is to open Figma, click the right mouse cursor here and click on plugins and click on manage plugins. Here you need to search for export to GIF. Okay, and the second is GIF or video. Click here and in the bottom you simply need to click on run and it will start running. So it will take few seconds. Okay, and here you can export to GIF and video. First you need to enter your email address. So let me enter my email address here. Okay, click on get started and here you need to receive a verification code. So go on to your Gmail and you will receive a verification code that you need to put in Figma. So copy that, go back and paste that here and click on verify. Okay, so once you have animation flow, you simply need to select the quality and the details and you simply need to hit here because I do not have, but this is a process that you need to follow to export Figma prototype to video. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.